Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. In it, tap on Choose Default Apps and pick one of those sections. In my case, I want to change browser app, so I have to click on this one, tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it, and select the back button. So now when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!